Hello, this is Chef Anna. Today, I would like to welcome you to my kitchen. I would like to show you how to make easy recipes. In a preheated pan with some oil, I break 3 eggs and cooking it for just a few minutes. When it's done, I remove and set aside. And then in the same pan, while still hot and saturated with oil, I added about a cup of shrimps and then cooking it for a few minutes until shrimp is well done, and then remove and set aside also. As for the sausages, I always remove the case before cooking it because I don't like to be eating plastic or anything that I'm not sure about. And then in the same pan, I added our chopped sausages and cook it until well done. That might take just a few minutes because the pan is pretty hot already. I'm going to cook the sausages for a few minutes or until it's well done, and then we'll remove and set it aside along with the eggs. And then as you can see that the shrimps also well done because it was cooking earlier before we pour in the sausages. So I remove it out from the pan as well to avoid overcook the shrimp. I went ahead and continued cooking my sausages until it's well done to get rid of some of the sodium and the fat on the sausages. The vegetables that I use on here is mixed vegetable, carrots, peas, and what else is in there? Corns, I believe. And I use about two-thirds of the cups of mixed vegetables. Or if you love eating vegetables, and you can add as many. There's no perfect ratio to it. Okay, once the vegetables and the meat are done, I put it into a strainer to help with reducing the fat and the sodiums while we are preparing the other ingredients. Now that we have all the meat portions is prepared, I wash the cooking pan really good, and then I chopped up about 2 tablespoons of high quality, no salt butter. I use butter in my fried rice recipe because the butters help that creamy taste and creamy textures in my fried rice that I found it more enjoyable. Okay, now we put all the ingredients, all the cooked ingredients that we set aside earlier back into the buttered pan and prepare to add along 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillons, about a teaspoon of, maybe half a teaspoon of sugar if you like, and then a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Once we have all the meat and other ingredients combined in the hot pan, what we need next would be our rice. We can't make fried rice without our rice. So therefore, make sure that you have your rice cooked really well, not soggy rice, not undercooked rice. We just perfect rice for fried rice. It's better when you cook it um, and leave it in the refrigerator overnight, and it just had that beautiful texture to it once you prepare ahead. And what I have in here is I added baby bok choy and the rice together, and baby bok choy cook very really fast. And then I stir constantly to avoid burning on the bottom of my pan. And as you can see that I added the green onion last. And if you like onions, and if you do not, and you just don't need to add it in. Okay, whatever you feel like adding in your fried rice, you can add varieties of vegetables. You can add tofu. You can add broccoli. You can add any type of vegetables in it you like. There's no set of rules what vegetable you can't use in your fried rice. I use varieties. I love it. Okay, I believe sausage and shrimp baby bok choy fried rice is done. It looks so good, very, very colorful. Not to mention it smell awesome. And when it's done, I added our last ingredients is the chopped green onions. Okay, if you love green onions, the taste of green onions, add it in. If you don't, you can leave it out. It's okay by me. To garnish my fried rice, I peel and dice one large cucumber, and then you just arrange it any way you like. Because cucumber go really, really well with a fried rice, so therefore here is just a basic way to garnish your basic fried rice, and you can turn an ordinary fried rice or food into a nice plate or bowls with simple garnishment with greens and other vegetable that sound appealing to you. Maybe carrots and other vegetable will do. Okay, so here we go. If you enjoyed this cooking, please subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate your support. And be safe where you're at. From Chef Vanna. Thank you.